In this video, I will be going over the anatomy of a project. So I'm going to go into my labs testing project, and you'll see when you enter your project that you have 5 tabs. You also have your heading that is collapsed when you first go in, and this is where it shows you some of the same information on the previous screen about the owner, when it was created, and the description. So if I wanted to change that information, I would go ahead and head to the Settings tab, where I could rename my project, I could add to the description, and you can also select a default branch. If your repo has multiple branches and you have one that you would like to always be selected when you're running a simulation, you can set that here, but you can override that when you run a simulation if there is code in a different branch that you want to use for that particular simulation. I'll click on Save Changes. The other tabs that I have available to me in my project are my simulations. So this will show the list of all the simulations that I've run and the status of those simulations. This is also where I could download the results of this simulation if I wanted to work locally. A list of my files. As I create new documents, they'll be added to here. If I have a folder, you can also expand that to see documents within your file, within the folder. If I want to add collaborators, I could do that here. Simply add a collaborator. I could type in their email. And then they'll be added to my list. And when they are at their project stream, they will now see my project added to their list. And then finally, we have the Notebooks tab. And this is where you can open a Jupyter Notebook in a new tab, and it allows you to do some post-processing directly within the platform. And that is the different parts of a labs project.